Hey guys, this is me Nishi. I welcome you in Coding Mania. So today's session is about data science. So this is the first part of data science series, and the main thing in data science is Numpy arrays. So today I am going to show you how Numpy array works, what functions are there in Numpy library, and let's have a look on the code. Okay, so firstly I'm importing Numpy library and I'm giving alias as np, and now I'm creating 1D array. 1D array np.array is a function for creation of the array, and I want to check the shape of the array, so I'm using this and 1D array dot shape, so we can check the shape. First I'll run this one, then this one. So the numpy arrays has been created and the shape is 5 comma null. Now I'm creating 2D array. So same thing, but here only one list will be passed, and in that one list two lists will be passed by separating comma. And here we are checking the shape. As you can see, this is the the shape is 2 comma 5, means two sub arrays and 5 elements. It is also called like 2 rows and 5 columns, like that. Then now we will perform some arithmetic operations. First addition. For that I am creating two 1D arrays. For first addition, simple addition you can do by using plus sign. Another, you can use the np.add function and you can pass two arrays and you can simply print it. Subtraction, simply you can use by minus sign, or you can use np.subtract function. Same for multiplication, you can use star sign, asterisk sign for multiplying two arrays, and or you can use np.multiply function for multiplying two arrays. Now you can see the output as well. Division, same thing, you can use backslash, and you can even use np.divide function, and you can pass array 1 and array 2. Now appending the array. Appending means you are joining two arrays, like one array to another array. So it will be like 0 1 2 2 3 4. So this is appending of the array, and this is appended array. Now array indexing. So in this particular index, which element is there, so you can get to know by array indexing. So this is the array, I'm printing array, what are the elements in array 3. Then I'm printing fifth element of array 3. So as you know, index of an array starts with 0. So 0 1 2 3 4. So on the fourth index, element 3 is there. So if you want 3 from like we are going left to right, but if you want to traverse from right to left, you can write -2. So right index starts from -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, like that. Okay, but here from left to right, index starts from 0. Please remember that, because that is very important. So now array slicing. Array slicing means like we are separating array, we are slicing the array. So now this is an array. Now first we will slice from left. So from left 4, then right 4, and from left 1, and right 2. Okay, now from left 4 means 5, 6, 7 will be there. From right 4 means 1, 2, 3, 4 will be there. So here as you can see, from if we write from left 4, then 1, 2, 3, 4 till 4 it will be disappear. But if we write from right, then 1, 2, 3, 4, so this 4 will come. So that is a difference between from left and right. As you know, the index of left and right in array, Numpy array, is different. Likewise, this is the difference in slicing as well. So from here we will see from left 1 and right 2. So from left 1, so this will not come, right? And from right 2, so 1, 2. So this 2 will 6 and 7 will not come. So 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we are getting this. Then reshaping. Reshaping means this is 1D array, right? We want to shape it into 4, 3. So we can do like array dot reshape. Reshape is a function. Now new array will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 4, 3 means 4 rows and 3 columns. 4 rows and 3 columns. Now we can see the shape, new shape is 4, 3. So this is reshaping of an Numpy array. Now array iteration, that is most easiest thing. Just we need to keep in for loop, for x in array, print x. For 2D as well it will be same. Now join two array. So we are joining two arrays. For that we are using np.concatenate function. See how easy it is to join two arrays. Splitting two arrays. See, here you can see the clear difference of slicing and splitting two arrays. Here we are splitting means reshaping and splitting array. In reshaping, we are reshaping the array in rows like 1-dimensional to 2-dimensional, and here we are splitting the array in 3. Means 3 columns will be divided. 1, 2, 3. 3 arrays will be made. So array np.array. Now new array np.array split. Array split function is used. Here array we are passing and 3 array we want. So now as you can see, this new array contains 3 sub arrays in this. Okay, now searching. For searching, where function is used. We want to search 4. So array we are passing in where array equal to 4. So 4 is on which position it will return. 0, 1, 2, 3. So on 3rd, on 5th, and on 6th position array is 4 is located in the array. Array sorting, only sort function is used, np.array. Then generation of 1D array by using random elements. So random function, we are importing random library from random class from Numpy library, and then we are keeping x equal to random dot randint 100 and size so x equal to random dot randint 100 comma size equal to 5 means 5 columns will be there. So print x, and 100 means 0 in between 0 to 100 any number will come. Then 2D, for 2D array we are passing 5 comma 2 means 5 rows and 2 columns, and in between 0 to 100 any number can come.